If you've been debating between the Dyson Airwrap and the T3 Aire 360 system, you're not alone. And you're probably tired of hearing the same recycled opinions. Today, I'm doing a side-by-side comparison of these two styling systems, not hype, not sponsorships, not this changed my life nonsense, just a realistic breakdown of what each one actually does well, where they fall short, and which type of person each tool really makes sense for. Because these are expensive tools, and at this price point, pretty good isn't good enough. What these tools are. Let's start with what each system is designed to do. The Dyson Airwrap is a multi-styler that uses controlled airflow and temperature to dry and style hair at the same time. The core idea is minimizing extreme heat while shaping hair using air pressure. The T3 Micro Aire 360, on the other hand, is more traditional in concept. It's a hot air styling system that combines airflow with heated ceramic attachments, focusing more on smoothness, shine, and polish rather than air-driven styling. So right away, you're looking at two different philosophies. Dyson leans tech-heavy and experimental. T3 leans refined, predictable, and classic design and build quality. The Dyson Airwrap feels futuristic. Lightweight, sleek, and unmistakably Dyson. It looks like something that belongs in a tech lab, which some people love. The attachments snap on magnetically, and while that feels cool at first, it can also feel a bit delicate. If you're rough with tools or impatient while styling, that's something to keep in mind. The T3 Aire 360 feels more luxurious in a traditional sense. Heavier, solid, and more salon tool than gadget. The attachments feel sturdy, secure, and less fussy. Bottom line, Dyson feels innovative. T3 feels durable and premium. Neither feels cheap, but they feel very different in personality. Styling, performance, blowouts. This is where people really care. For blowouts, the Dyson gives volume fast, especially at the roots. The airflow lifts hair easily, but the finish can feel soft rather than sleek. If your hair tends to frizz, puff, or lose shape quickly, the Dyson can sometimes leave you wishing for more polish unless you go back in with another tool. The T3 Aire 360 shines here. Blowouts look smoother, glossier, and more done. The ceramic heat helps seal the cuticle better, which shows in shine and longevity. If you want that fresh from the salon look that lasts through the day, T3 clearly has the edge. Curling and waves. This is where the Dyson Airwrap is famous and controversial. Yes, the Airwrap can create curls using airflow instead of clamps. When it works, it's impressive, but it's also very hair type dependent. Fine or medium hair, curls can look great. Thick, coarse, or resistant hair, the curls often drop quickly unless you use strong hold products. The T3 Aire 360 uses more traditional heated attachments, which means more control, more predictable results, better curl hold over time. You don't get the novelty of air-wrapped curls, but you do get reliability, ease of use. This matters more than people admit. The Dyson Airwrap has a learning curve. You need patience, practice, and sometimes trial and error to get consistent results. It's not intuitive on day one. The T3 Aire 360 is straightforward. If you've ever used a blow dryer or hot tool, it feels familiar immediately. If you enjoy experimenting and mastering new tools, Dyson can be fun. If you want results without thinking too hard, T3 wins. Hair health and heat, Dyson emphasizes lower heat and airflow control, which is appealing if you're heat sensitive or very cautious about damage. T3 uses higher heat but distributes it evenly through ceramic technology, which reduces hot spots and excessive damage. In real-world use, neither tool felt damaging when used properly. Hair health comes down more to technique and frequency than brand promises. Price and value. Both systems are expensive. No sugarcoating that. Dyson charges for innovation and versatility. T3 charges for performance and finish. If you love experimenting with styles and want one tool that does everything, Dyson might feel worth it. If you care most about polished results that last, T3 gives better value for the money. Who should buy which? Choose Dyson Airwrap if you like volume and movement. You enjoy learning new tools. You prioritize airflow over heat. You want versatility and tech appeal. Choose T3 Aire 360. If you want smooth, glossy blowouts, you prefer predictable results, you value durability and ease, you want a salon-style finish at home. Neither tool is objectively better. They just serve different priorities. The The Dyson is innovative and fun. The T3 is polished and reliable. The real question isn't which tool is better, it's which one matches how you actually style your hair. If this comparison helped, check the links below for the exact models used in this video. And if you want more honest, no hype reviews like this, you know what to do.